Industrial substation buildings construction. Program on how to construct industrial buildings and substation buildings. Okay, let's start with the building area. We have key dates and milestones. Start milestone, construction works. Finish milestone, construction works. Site preparation and underground systems. General earthworks. Underground piping trenching. Underground piping installation and testing. Underground backfilling. Outside industrial building. Inside industrial building. Next, foundation for area pipe wrap. Miscellaneous foundations. Concrete bases. Manholes. Next, concrete paving and concrete ditches, swales. Grouting for steel. Structural erection. Steel cable wrap. Platform, ladders, handrails. Under electrical works, we have grounding system installation, wrap electrical cable trays, conduits, area lighting, small power system installation. Okay, under instrumentation works, we have wrap instrumentation cable trays and conduits. Okay, under painting works, we have steel structural painting touch. This is a self-explanatory image. Switchgears and substation power systems work together to deliver electrical power and mitigate potential electrical faults downstream in the electrical generation process, ensuring safe electrical power. Electrical switchgear, this is the centralized collection of circuit breakers, fuses, switches to protect, control, and isolate electrical equipment. They are mounted on metal structure. Isometric drawings provide a detailed representation of the physical layout and dimensions of components. Electrical substation, we have static construction, building foundations, superstructure, slab, columns, roof, architectural works, walls, frames, panels, HVAC installation, electrical services, net, finishing architectural works, building ready for equipment installation. Under electrical works, there are transformers, electrical equipment, MCCs, switchgears, bus ducts, etc. Cable trays, conduits, interconnecting cables and connections. This is the conference room, the result after finishing the construction.